This is how you add or set up a new mail account on your iPhone. iPhones have this mail app built in. It's usually in the dock down here because it's pretty important. If you tap on it, it's going to open your mail, your inboxes. You can have as many inboxes as you want in here. I currently have one set up. If you don't have one set up, you're going to see a list of brand names, companies that provide emails, and you tap on one of those and go through their prompts to sign in. Let's say you already have an account set up like I do, and you want to add another one, we have to go into the settings. So let's go to the settings, and we're on the main settings page here. Scroll down to the very bottom to where it says apps. Tap on the M, or you can scroll down to here as well. Tap on mail. Here it shows we have one mail account. Tap on that, and then tap on add account. And then we can type in the email address. For instance, this is one of my emails. Once that's typed in, tap on next. It's going to ask you for the password. Because it detects this as being a Gmail address, which it is because I use Google Workspace for it, it's going to take us to a Google Accounts page where we enter a Google Accounts password, and then this email is going to be added to our mail app just like that. That's all it takes. If this email address doesn't have, for example, Google, let's just change this to .ca. It doesn't like that. Does it know that's not an email address somehow? That'd be weird. It knows this one is an email address because that button goes blue. What if I just delete that? How does it know this is not an email address? That's perplexing. Oh, wait, that was. Now it thinks this one is, okay. So this is not a Google email address. So now it pops in a different set because it can't detect where that email address is being hosted. If you have an older iPhone with an older iOS version, this is actually the menu you're going to see when you first open your mail app or when you go to add account. It's going to pop this up. You have to pick your email address provider. You can also tap on add other, which then you can choose mail account and you can just add in the information here. And then you'll be signed into that mail account. It's going to be added to your mail app. And then to access it, you access it through here. It's going to have different inboxes listed here. You can choose which email inbox you want to use. I personally don't use the mail app because I use the Gmail app, which is a third-party app made by Google because I have Gmail email accounts and all the data is stored on their servers, not on my phone. I used to use the mail app in the past, but it just took up a lot of space with lots of attachments because I don't like to delete my emails. I basically keep them forever and my phones don't have that kind of storage space. So I found the best solution for me was to use the Gmail app because I have Gmail email addresses. So that's how you set up and add mailboxes on your iPhone. And if you want to make sure your phone is scammer proof, check out this free checklist I put together. This is the checklist you should run through on a regular basis to make sure you're hitting all those boxes to make sure you're scammer proof. Scan this QR code if you're on a TV, click the link in the description down below if that's more convenient. Then on that page you go to, just enter your email address. You can then download the document for free, print it off, keep it with you. It's important, so make sure you do that. And if you want to make sure your phone's battery lasts as long as possible, check out this video right here. I help you troubleshoot battery drainage problems and how to fix them, and I show you how to make your battery last longer. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.